This is about our love affair with chili.
I have so many regrets.
Not hot, not worth eating.
I'm Kevin, a self-taught private chef, photographer, creative director.
And everyone knows I love my chili.
I'm going on a journey to discover chili.
Inside is hotter.
Let me try.
Wow.
Where is the water?
Es un amor, como decimos, apache, porque lo amamos, pero no podemos vivir sin él, pero nos peleamos porque pica.
Chili is in my DNA. I want to come up with a new chili recipe, and I will share what I've learned with the people I've met along the way.
I have the dragon's breath, unofficially the hottest chili in the world.
This is really nice.
In Search of Heat starts 19th June, Sunday on CNA.